Fix Dead by Daylight error code 8018 failed to connect to host on PC. Nusht 1. Check Dead by Daylight server status. Check if the game servers are online. Wait if servers are under maintenance. Try connecting again after a few minutes. Harbison R2, restart the game. Close Dead by Daylight completely. Restart Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Launch the game again. Try joining a match. 3. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to your game library. Select Dead by Daylight. Click Verify Repair Game Files. Wait for the verification to finish. 4. Restart your internet connection. Restart your modem/router. Use a stable wired connection if possible. Avoid downloads or streaming while playing. Launch the game again. 5. Disable VPN or proxy. Turn off any VPN or proxy service. Restart the game. Check if error code 8018 is resolved. Allow the game through Windows Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Allow Dead by Daylight through the firewall. Save the changes. Restart the game. 7. Flush DNS cache. Open command prompt as administrator. Flush your DNS cache. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. 8. Update the game. Install the latest Dead by Daylight update. Restart your PC after updating. Launch the game. 9. Close background applications. Open Task Manager. Close browsers, VPNs, overlays, and unnecessary applications. Free up network bandwidth. Try connecting again. Number 10. Sign out and back into your account. Log out of your Steam or Epic Games account. Restart the launcher, sign back in, launch Dead by Daylight, and reconnect. These steps can help fix Dead by Daylight error code 8018, failed to connect to host, connection error, unable to join match, and online connection issues on Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs.